people, how are you guys? I'm doing great and I hope you guys are doing an amazing time. Well, I just got done creating this orangey brownish fall look, and if you guys are into the fall looks, then please stay tuned and catch me on the other side creating this beautiful look. All right guys, so I already primed my eyes and did my eyebrows off camera for the purpose of the video. I know you guys seen this before in my recent videos, but look how beautiful is these colors. Before we begin, my lips are a little chapped, so I'm gonna be using my Too Faced Lip Enhancer Extreme. I love this. You could feel it tingling, so you know it's working. So I'll place that on my lips before we begin, because we don't want no nasty lips, no crusty lips, guys. You know, we don't want to do that to you. I don't want to do that to you guys. I'm going to use this smaller, fluffier brush right here. You can see that. And I'm going to be using this orangey color right here. It's like an orangey brown color, and I'm going to place that on my crease area right here in my outer corner crease area, and then I'm just going to bring it up. I just want to build it up first. And once you got that color, then you just bring it up, and I'm just doing circular motion. I don't know if you can tell, guys, I'm liking this palette from the Morphe palette. I don't know if it's because it's a lot of warm toned fall colors, but I'm liking the palette. And we're gonna place that color again and just put it in that outer corner and then bring it up. All right, so we got the base color. Now I'm going to use a smaller, fluffier brush. It's a little more pointier. And I'm going to use this color right here, right in the outer corner right here. And then we're just going to sweep it up. And then I'm going to use a brush that doesn't have any product and just blend everything out. This is going to be a nice, simple look, guys. So I'm just smoking the edges, the corner out right over here. Now in the outer corner right here, I want to darken that up a little bit more. And I'm going to be using this brown right here. And I'm going to use this fluffy brush. And we're just going to tap it. And to get that color easier, just open up your eyes a little bit and just stick that right there. And then bring it in. Then we're going to use that fluffy brush and just blend everything out, especially in the inner corner. And then we're going to grab this reddish brown color and we're just going to place it in the outer corner, just to bring that orangey back. I'm gonna grab this brush right here, the one I've been using, and I'm gonna put this light orangey color on top just to bring that color out. Now I want to put some shimmer in my eyelid. So I'm gonna see where I want to. I'm debating on these two colors. I don't know, either this one or this one. I'm gonna do this one right here. I'm gonna do this color and I'm gonna place it all over my lid. I'm gonna use a flat brush like this. It's super creamy, so this should be really nice. That's how it looks without the spray. I'm gonna spray it to see how it looks. Oh, that's so beautiful. It's like a bronzy color. And that's why I did not put any foundation on, because it's falling a little bit. So it's all good though, because we're just wipe it out and we'll be fine. I really want to try that red one. I have to do that next time. And then I'm going to put in the outer corner, I'm going to just smoke it out with some brown. So this color right here. In my outer corner, I'm just putting that darker brown. This color right here. I'm going to use my micellar cleansing water and my little pad. I'm just going to clean out the fallout. Alright, so it looks something like this. I'm going to wing my liner. I'm going to use my Maybelline New York Lasting Drama. And it's in black. And I'm going to use my MAC 263. And I'm just going to use that and make a dark line. So I'm going to be using Claris Paris, and this is the Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch. If you guys have that little fine wrinkle lines, like this will literally cover it all. So like that, when you have your foundation, you do not have to see those little wrinkle lines. Like, I did not believe in it until I tried it and I said, wow, like I seen a huge difference in my foundation underneath my under eye crease. And this does work. So I put that all over my face where I have little tiny bit of wrinkles. I mean, I don't have that many, but if this is an amazing product. Amazing product. So now I'm just gonna prime my face. I'm gonna be using the Ciate London Watermelon Bust Hydration Primer. I'm just gonna put that on my face. And just prime. I'm loving this primer too because it's so sticky. So it feels amazing on the skin. Alright guys, so I'm going to let that primer sit for a little bit. I'm going to put my lashes on. Now I'm going to be using the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Full Coverage. And this is in 320 Honey Medium. And I'm going to be using this flat kabuki brush right here. I'm going to use this new brush and I'm just going to place that all over my face. Now I'm going to finish off with the sponge and I'm just going to blend everything out. So I'm going to conceal underneath my eyes. I'm going to be using Dose of Color. I'm like loving this concealer now, and I got this from BoxyCharm. And this is 20 Medium Tan. And I'm just going to place that on my under eye. I'm going to spray my sponge with some mist. I'm going to use my Dewy Setting Mist right here. Just spray that up. And just blend that out. Guys, what are you doing for Halloween? Especially with you guys that have kids. What are you guys are going to do? Are you guys are going trick-or-treating? Or are you just going to just stay at home? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm probably just gonna go to my family house, just drive by and just get candy for the kids and just get dressed up like that. I want to know what people are doing with their kids. Are they gonna really go trick-or-treating this year? So comment down below and let me know if you guys are doing anything for Halloween, if you guys are gonna go trick-or-treating or you guys are gonna do something at home with the kids. Because I don't have no idea what I'm gonna be doing. But anyways, look how beautiful is this concealer. Like, this is one of the faves of mine of the concealers. I should try the foundation now, because if the concealer is like this is really, this is full coverage. And then I just bring it down. I'm loving it. I'm going to be using my L'Oreal foundation stick. And it's this color right here. I'm just going to use this brush and just contour my face. Especially on this forehead. I mean, you guys seen me do this before, so I'm just going to speed up the process and just do my face. This flat brush and just blend it. I'm going to be using my Morphe face palette, and this is Totally Tan 8T. And I'm going to be using these two colors right here. And I'm going to use my contour brush. I'm going to set my face, and I'm going to use my Marc Jacob Finish Line. And this is coconut setting powder. And it looks like this. I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetic Weekend Vibes. And this is Belen. And these has 6 colors blushes. And look how beautiful. It's like orangey and curly colors. I'm going to be placing these 2 colors on my cheek area. I'm going to use this brush right here. I just love blush, guys. It just brings out your face. Alright, so now I'm going to set underneath my eyes so we can begin our under eyes. Alright, I look crazy, guys, but we're going to let that sit and bake so we can begin underneath our eyes. So I'm just going to do the brown color. I'm going to use this brown color right here, and I'm going to place that in my underneath my waterline. And I'm going to use a small brush. I'm going to use this flat brush right here. And then I'm going to use that orangey color right here and place that underneath my waterline. And I'm going to use my angle little brush right here, and I'm just going to place a little bit of the black in my waterline. Then we're just going to blend that out. I'm going to use this little pencil brush and just blend everything out. I'm going to be using my Urban Decay 24-hour waterproof, and this is in black. I love this thing. It's so black. Alright, now I'm going to sweep everything out. We're going to highlight my face. I'm going to use this one right here, the highlighter palette, and this is Stellar Impact 8S. It has all these beautiful, beautiful highlighters. So I'm going to be placing this golden color right here. If I can find my highlighting brush, I'm going to use this brush right here and use the Big Bang highlighter. And I'm just going to highlight. Now we're going to do our lips, and I'm going to use my Ace Beauty. This one right here, Be Peachy. I got this in my BoxyCharm. So I'm going to outline my lips. I forgot, I'm gonna highlight my inner corner a little bit. I'm gonna use this lip gloss right here, and this is Laura Geller, and this is New York 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color, and I got it in Beige Bite. I got this in my BoxyCharm, in my Luxe BoxyCharm. My lips are so chapped from this weather. Alright guys, we're almost done. Setting spray from Dewy Set, and this is for Anastasia Beverly Hills. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial using the 3503 Fierce by Nature. I had so much fun creating this fall look. But guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, bye bye.